A rainy February, end of February at least, in 2025 here in Harvest Moon Mountain. So we just bought some new farmland here, and it has an old manufactured type home on it. We got our buddy Derek doing the demo. He is Friends Excavating, does a really good job. Really good job with any kind of excavating. He's done a lot of foundations, but luckily he's one of our buddies and tearing down this place for us. So we're going to be putting Christmas trees here, fruit trees, a lot of other ideas. This is probably the third trailer we've got taken out on some of our properties here, making the area actually look a lot better, but the views are beautiful. You can see for a long, long way out this way. And little by little, here at the farm, we make everything look a little bit better. So, in a few hours, our buddy Derek will have this down to nothing. He's separating the metal here. We have a couple people that we know that do a little scrapping, and looks like he's separating the metal, putting it to a side, which is nice of him. So let us watch the video as he goes along and tears it on up. We've had a really cold winter here. These last few days are nice. Had a couple days in the 40s, but we've been in the negative temperatures for a lot of the winter. Figure it saves a little bit of weight in the dumpster, putting the metal aside, and helps the guys out that do scrapping, which is nice. A little rainy here. We get these big 40-yard dumpsters, and usually two of them does these places no problem. So two 40-yard dumpsters does like a single wide type knockdown. Derek's done a lot of these before, so he's got a method to his madness to make more room in the dumpster, I'm sure. Looks like he's going to take all the siding off, probably grab it in one big scoop and throw it right to the bottom. It actually makes a lot of sense. Keep it all from flying away and getting all mixed in. Nice views out here. Be really, really nice once this is gone. You always want to be careful because the excavator operator may not see it, so you don't want to hang around his boom area just in case he gets to swing it really fast. So Derek's got his Bobcat E85. Around a 20,000 pound machine, I'm sure. Really nice excavator. He's got a lot bigger one for his bigger jobs. So we went to the town, got our demo permit as needed for this, and making the area nicer. Taking down every trailer a little bit at a time and buying more land and turning it back to farm country, which is really, really awesome. See, he knocks it all into itself, so he kind of contains a lot of the debris, and then he can scoop it up and throw it right in the dumpster. So he puts that right in that pile. Crunch that chair up so it doesn't take much space in the dumpster. I'm gonna have to probably come in here anyways, clean up a lot of these screws and stuff, and I'm probably gonna drop a lot of truckloads of stone right around here for parking area and everything anyways. Make it look nicer and not as muddy. Alright guys, well we're going to end it right here, and we're going to show you the part 2 once it's all clear and show you what it looks like, you know, the before and after. But again, anyone in the southern tier of New York looking to have foundations or anything like that done, call Friends Excavating. They do a great job. He's our buddy, good family, and yeah, we'll show you what part 2 looks like. And then in the spring when we start planting all of our trees and everything here too, we're also going to do that, and the before and after is going to be amazing. You'll be shocked what this property is going to turn into. All right guys, stay tuned.